how to fix our brain. How to fix your brain. Kapag you are struggling na i-improve yung sarili mo, maybe you just have to fix your brain. Maybe you just have to fix how your brain works. I recently learned something and gusto ko rin siyang ibahagi sa inyo. And although I consider these things na basic na or mga bagay na madali nang magets, common sense, and dapat alam na sana ng bawat isa sa atin, but I'm here to remind every one of you sa mga bagay na to. Now, I will be talking about the first step na dapat inuuna natin, ginagawa natin if we want rather, to improve our lives or to improve ourselves. Alam ko naman na in our time, in our generation, we are living nowadays na ang mga kabataan, katulad natin, we are always craving for personal development. Tama, na ma-improve natin yung sarili natin, the way we behave, the way we act, the way we think, and the way we see things and the world around us. It's natural for us na mag-strive or mag-crave na mag-grow tayo, right? And as I said, I will be talking about the first step, yung unang bagay na dapat una nating ginagawa before we can do other things to improve our lives, to improve ourselves. And that is how to fix our brain. How to fix your brain. Or in Tagalog, paano aayusin yung utak mo, yung isip mo. Now, may problema ba sa utak ko? We might ask that question. And unfortunately, kapag you are struggling na i-improve yung sarili mo, though you want to do it, but you're really struggling na para bang ayoko na, hindi ko kaya, ang hirap. Maybe you just have to fix your brain. Maybe you just have to fix how your brain works. Okay, una, na bagay na maaari nating tingnan or gawin for us to be able to fix our brain is for us to eliminate the distractions. Okay? I'm talking about distractions in general or in a broader sense, in a broader way. I'm talking about these things na binibigyan natin ng so much attention sa bawat araw ng buhay natin. Binibigyan natin ng too much attention. And when I say too much, yung sobra-sobrang attention na we invest time and actually nauubos yung time natin dun sa mga bagay na yun, sa mga activities na yun, na kung titingnan natin or i-evaluate natin, i-weigh natin yung value ng mga bagay na yun, ng mga activities na yun. Hindi naman talaga siya helpful in improving ourselves, in fixing our brain. Because those distractions, kung titingnan natin, anong mga example nun, kagaya ng sinabi ko, social media, the way we spend too much time for it every day of our lives, yung mga mobile games, online games, and such things, or even other things na binibigyan natin ng so much attention na in reality, distraction lang pala yung mga bagay na yun. Nawawala lang tayo dun sa kung ano yung tunay na mahalaga dahil nga dun tayo nakafocus, dahil nga dun nauubos. Hindi lang yung time natin, but also our strength, our efforts, na in the end of the day or at the end of the day, we just feel drained, we just feel exhausted. For us to fix our brain, eliminate the distractions. Evaluate mo lahat ng activities na ginagawa mo every day. Or before mo gawin ang isang bagay, tanungin mo yung sarili mo, will this be helpful in improving myself, in fixing my brain, or will this just distract me sa kung ano yung talagang gusto kong mangyari sa buhay ko? Will this just distract me sa kung ano yung talagang mahalaga para sa akin? Now, the second thing is maybe you're just confused. Regain your focus. Maybe you're just confused. Yun yung isang bagay na maaaring problema ng marami kung bakit hindi nila magawang ma-improve yung sarili nila. And hindi nila magawang maayos yung pag-iisip nila. Because they are confused. And when I say confused, hindi nila alam kung ano yung talagang gusto nila. Hindi nila alam specifically kung ano yung gusto nilang marating. Kung ano yung gusto nilang mangyari sa buhay nila. They don't have a specific goal. They don't have a specific thing na ine-aim nila. Wala silang strategies, wala silang plans. They are confused. Tadagdagan pa yung distractions. And with the idea na hindi nila alam kung ano ba talaga yung gusto nilang mangyari, magulo. Magulo yung isip nila, magulo yung utak nila. So kung nakikita natin na wala naman masyadong distraction sa buhay natin, sa bawat araw natin, now let's think about this thought na, am I really sure sa kung ano yung gusto ko? Do I have a specific goal in mind sa kung ano yung gusto kong maging, of who I want to be? Or am I currently confused? This confusion thing, ito siguro yung naging personal struggle ko. You know why? Because I'm that kind of person na sobrang dami kong interest. Sobrang dami kong gustong gawin sa buhay. Sobrang dami kong gustong subukan. Sobrang dami kong gustong malaman, matutuhan. Ang dami kong gusto. Ang dami kong interest. So, yun siguro yung naging personal struggle ko in fixing my brain. I'm confused sa kung ano ba talaga yung gusto kong maging identity. Kung ano yung gusto kong maging ako. Gusto kong aralin to, gusto kong matutuhan yan, gusto kong maging expert sa bagay na to, gusto kong maging matalino, maging dalubhasa sa bagay na to. I don't have a specific goal in mind. And when I learned about this, I started to focus sa kung ano yung gusto ko na gawin. And the third thing is, ano nga ba yung third thing? Fix your diet. And when I say diet, I don't just mean food and drinks and exercise and sleep. I mean everything that we consume. That's what diet is, di ba? That's what diet means, rather. Yung mga kinukonsume natin. Hindi lang food, hindi lang drinks, but even the media. Media consumption. The videos that we watch every day, the news that we see, that we consume, yung mga ganito na mga podcast, ano yung mga pinakikinggan natin, music, entertainment, all kinds of media, social media, the people we are talking to, everything we consume every day, that is part of our diet. Fix your diet. Actually, ito yung pinaka-importante for me. Yes, na-eliminate mo ng distractions. Yes, meron ka ng pinagfufukusan na bagay para sa sarili mo. Pero, if your diet is, yung diet mo, yung mga kinakain mo very unhealthy, mga iniinom mo very unhealthy, ang ininom mo laging mga colored, flavored drinks, sweets, and the media you consume is very unhealthy, very toxic, very, ano yung mga makamundot, makasala ng mga media, it will damage your brain still, right? And kung yun nga yung first step for us to improve our lives, which is to fix our brain, yung pinakamahalaga, pahalagahan natin, which is our diet, the things we consume. So, that's it for this video. I hope na ma-meditate ninyo, na matingnan and ma-evaluate yung mga gantong aspects ng buhay natin. The distractions, the confusions, and the things that we consume every day para maayos natin yung utak natin, yung pag-iisip natin, and magawa nating ma-improve yung buhay natin at yung sarili natin. Or rather, magawa pa natin yung ibang steps, ibang ways para ma-improve yung sarili at buhay natin.